If you've already been prompting inside of HeyGen, you already know about Video Agent, even if you don't realize it. But if you're like me, you might still be sitting on the sidelines with HyperFrames. Well, friends, HeyGen is integrating HyperFrames into Video Agent. And if hearing that makes you feel like you have no idea what I'm talking about, you're in the right place. If you're new here, HeyGen is an AI video platform that makes presenter-style videos with an AI avatar, stock, or your own clone. There are 3 things I want to cover with my beginners today. What is Video Agent? What is HyperFrames? And what does it actually mean for your videos that these features are coming together? By the end, you'll understand both tools and why this is big news for all of us. Let's start with the one you've probably already touched. When you log into HeyGen, that big prompt box on the home screen, that's the Video Agent. HeyGen calls it a prompt native creative engine, which is a fancy way of saying you describe the video you want and it builds the whole thing. Script, voiceover, visuals, pacing, captions, all of it from one prompt. Quick vocabulary, because we love a vocab lesson. When your avatar is on screen delivering your script, or when you see me talking on screen, that is A-roll. The visuals that support it, the footage and the graphics layered on top while you talk and the animated cutaways between beats, are the B-roll. That's everything around your A-roll. Video Agent generates both. And you see this little drop down, 2 modes. Plan, you plan the video together and it shows you the plan before it builds anything. Autopilot, it just goes. Either way, what comes back is a finished video you can keep refining. Think of it this way. The Video Agent is a video making machine. Your idea goes in on one end and a finished video comes out the other. Now let's get into HyperFrames. Take a look at what we have on screen right now. There's the person talking and there's all the stuff. The words that pop up, the arrow that points at the thing, the chart that grows while they talk, that all has to come from somewhere. Every word that pops, every arrow, that all needs to be built. HyperFrames is a box of video building blocks. And it's not just the little graphics on top either. HyperFrames can build whole animated scenes. If it moves on your screen and it isn't a person on camera, HyperFrames can probably build it. For my curious nerd friends, the blocks are made from the same stuff that websites are made of: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And if those words don't mean anything to you, you don't have to worry about it. If you want to go deeper, we have a whole HyperFrames for Beginners series right here on this channel. The link is below. Now put the two together. The Video Agent is the machine, your idea in, a finished video out. HyperFrames is the box of building blocks, the pieces for everything that moves on the screen. Now we get both together right inside of HeyGen. In order to use HyperFrames, you don't have to code anything yourself. Video Agent will do it for you. And when the Video Agent builds your video, the whole thing, the words popping up while you talk, the animated B-roll between scenes, is built from better pieces. What do you have to do differently, you ask? Nothing. Same prompt box, same buttons, your videos just come out looking better. Don't take my word for it. I went into HeyGen and asked the Video Agent to make a video about this exact update. One prompt. Here's what came back.
Ever wondered how the HeyGen Video Agent makes professional videos so fast? It's because HyperFrames is now built directly into the agent. It means the agent treats your video just like a website. Instead of manual editing, it writes clean HTML and CSS to build the scene. This makes the agent a native code-based video editor. The results are perfectly consistent every time and render in seconds.
And that, friends, is my favorite kind of update. So, the Video Agent, idea in, video out. HyperFrames, the building blocks. Your videos look better and you didn't lift a finger. If you want to get your hands on HyperFrames itself, start with the HyperFrames for Beginners series on this channel. As always, we are on a mission to make sure you get the best results out of your HeyGen videos. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single video. Questions about this one? Drop a comment. We'll be looking. See you in the next one.